Naming alcohols. So when an OH group is present in a molecule, we name it with the suffix OL or all. We can also use the prefix hydroxy. Both are correct, but we typically only use the hydroxy prefix when a higher priority group is present. So we'll look at that later on. All right, so here's a sample molecule. We have 4 carbons. We'll throw an OH on one of them there. Okay, 4 carbons is a butan, whereas the all at carbon 2, butan 2-all. All right, so now let's put some other functional groups in and we'll have a look at the priority list. So here's 5 carbons. We'll put some fluorines in, methyl group. Let's put an alcohol here and another alcohol here, and we'll fill up with hydrogens. All right, let's identify what functional groups we have present. So first of all, the OHs are alcohols. All right, and they rank 6th on the priority list. So these will be the highest priority groups that you've seen so far. A methyl group down at the bottom, 14. All right, then we have 3 fluoros. Okay, these are halogens. All right, so the highest priority group is the alcohol, meaning I need to get the lowest possible numbers for those OHs. So I'm going to start numbering from the left. A 5 carbon chain is a pent. So let's look at how we put all of this together. I'm going to use the suffix method for the alcohol. So this will be 5,5,5 trifluoro, 4-methyl, pentan. Okay, the AN there refers to that between the carbons it's an alkane chain. They're all single bonds. And then I say 2,2-diol. Because there are 2 alcohols. All right, I'll look at one more. We're going to make this a line structure just so we get some practice with that as well. So here I have 8 carbons. All right, we'll load this up with some OHs. I'm going to put some double bonds in. Methyl group, bromine. Okay, so let's go through and let's identify the functional groups that we have present. Let's also put a benzene in just for good measure because we haven't practiced a lot with that yet. All right. So here are my alcohols. All right. I've got a methyl group. I have a bromo, so bromine. All right. And let's make this. I'm going to name this as a phenyl. Right, it's going to be much easier to account for that phenyl than it is to try to name the rest of this as a branch. Okay, and I have those alkenes. So let's rank everything, see what we have. So the alkenes come in at number 9. All right, the phenyl is number 8. Bromo is a halogen, so that's way down at number 12. Okay, the methyl is an alkyl, and the alcohols are up at number 6. So they're the highest priority group, means they need to get the lowest numbers, so start numbering from the left. All right, so name everything that gets named with a prefix in alphabetical order. So this will be 5-bromo, 2-methyl, 7-phenyl. Now the alkene and the alcohols both get named with suffixes, so we're going to show you how to include this. So it's oct, 5,7-diene, because the alkenes occur at 5 and 7, dash 3,4-diol. The highest priority group, the alcohol, gets the suffix of the name. All right, so the diene has to be sandwiched inside the name. Good luck.